Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into a product that promises to make your printing experience smoother and more economical. The 78C0ZV0 high-yield drum unit replacement, specifically designed for a wide array of Lexmark printers. This compatible imaging drum kit, set from OGHYTS, is engineered to be a direct replacement for the original Lexmark 78C0ZV0. Offering a compelling alternative for those seeking efficiency and value. One of the most significant advantages of this drum unit is its extensive compatibility. It seamlessly integrates with numerous Lexmark models, including the CS321, CS421, CS521, CS621, CS622, CX421, CX521, CX522, CX621, CX622, and CX625 series. This broad range ensures that many Lexmark users can benefit from this high-performance replacement, making it a versatile choice for various office and home environments. The standout feature, however, is undoubtedly the page yield. Each drum unit, whether it's black, yellow, cyan, or magenta, is rated for an impressive 40,000 pages at 5% coverage on A4 paper. This high yield capacity translates directly into fewer interruptions for drum changes, allowing for sustained productivity, especially in high-volume printing scenarios. For businesses or individuals with substantial printing needs, this means significant time and cost savings over the long run, as replacements are needed far less frequently. Installation is another area where this product shines. The process is designed to be remarkably straightforward. Users simply need to remove the protective cover and the seal tape, then insert the drum unit into the designated slot in their printer. There is no complex setup or technical expertise required, ensuring that anyone can perform the replacement quickly and get back to printing without hassle. This ease of installation minimizes downtime and frustration, which is always a welcome benefit. Ultimately, the OGHYTS 78C0ZV0 drum unit aims to provide consistent, high-quality output while maintaining high print volumes. It is presented as a reliable component that contributes to an easier printing life, ensuring that documents and images are produced with clarity and precision. For anyone looking to optimize their Lexmark printer's performance and reduce operational costs, this compatible replacement offers a robust and efficient solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.